Hi, Seth. You said you were having some trouble getting the graphs correct, and I assume you're talking about section 8.5 because I see you missed two questions here. So let's take a look at what you put in and what the correct answer was. So this is question number 3. And if you go ahead and solve this for y, you get the intercepts to be 0, 3, and 9, 0. So let's take a look at the graphs. Here's your graph on the right, and here's the correct answer. Okay, so the y-intercept, is 0, 3. So if I look at the correct graph, 0, 3 is right there. On your graph, it's not quite touching at 0, 3. And then the x-intercept is 9, 0, which you can see graphed right here. You don't have that on your graph, so that's why that graph was marked incorrect. And then on question number 4, this is going to go through the origin because when x is 0, y is 0. And then if you put in 3, so if you put in x equal 3, you're going to get y is 1. So let's take a look at what you had and what was the correct graph. So your graph is here on the left-hand side, and your graph is not going through the origin. Okay, so it's got to go through the origin. And then the second point that I picked was 3, 1, which you see graphed right here, and that's not showing up on your graph either. So that's why your graph was incorrect on these. So you just have to be really, really careful to make sure that when you use that graphing tool, that line, when you click on it to put the point in, make sure it goes exactly where you want the point to go. You're getting the shading right, which is good for the solution set, but you're not exactly getting the lines graphed in exactly the correct position. So just check and make sure that the points that you intend to graph are being graphed. I hope this helps.